Judaism.
Oh, hi, Jerry! What's up? You're reading again? Judaism. Let me guess, that is for our world religion, right?
You got it.
I think I know that. I think they believe in three gods, or maybe two, or only one.
Well, no. Based on this book, religious expression of Judaism believe that God is one, has no form, created the world, is eternal and still actively involved in world affairs.
And their God communicates to believer through prophets, and your wife will punishment you.
Wait, that right, Cherry?
Definitely. I also learned that the Jews communicate to God through a series of prayers.
Well, it's an act of worship service because Jews are seeking for and the reconciliation to our Lord God.
Did you hear that? They were talking about the fundamental beliefs of Judaism.
I know, right? They are really trying to come 1,000 years of wisdom into them before next circumstance. Very human.
As if naman they are not doing that, like with
So Jewish people worship in holy places not as Judaism, and their spiritual leaders are holy gods. The 6-pointed Star of David is the symbol of Judaism.
They also have 10 commandments, right? One of the bases of the religion belief is include some important Jewish teaching and more.
That's why Jews believe Moses to be a very important prophet since God chose him to pass on these commandments all Jewish people.
They have a lot more laws. 613 in Torah, actually.
Wow, 613. That's a lot and incredible. So we really have a lot to learn from it.
Exactly. There's a whole world out there full of interesting beliefs and traditions.
Have you seen this video about the beliefs and practices of Judaism?
No, I haven't. Let me see.
The bar or bar mitzvah is a significant event in Jewish life, marking how one grows from childhood to adulthood, and the obligation and responsibilities that came with it within the Jewish community.
Bar or bat mitzvah. That's how a person speaks a son or daughter of a commandment at the age of 12 for girls and 12 for boys.
Starting here, they must follow the law of Jewish tradition and the ethics engaged in all aspects of their community. Look, I have it here.
So it means this event commemorates boy or girl transition into Judaism, adulthood, and implies that they are now accountable for their own acts and they want to practice Judaism.
There's so much more. Do you know that Jewish Sabbath is observed throughout in the year of the 7th day of the week? It commemorates the original 7th day on which the God arrested after completing the creation.
Is it the origin of the Christian 7 Sundays?
Exactly. It's the day of the rest and naturally the day when Christians Mass normally happens.
Wait, are you still looking for more? Or maybe wondering about the oral law?
That's the record of teaching of Judaism. But hold on, the more you know, the more you grow.
So keep exploring. Remember that every religion has a significance, and let us be the one to tell it.